So what we're going to do, so here we have the farmlands, here we have the development, and here we have the factory. So the first thing we need is a river. Okay, so let me make sure this little thing's in. All right, so Rose, you're in charge. So I want you to pour slowly so it comes down and it forms into there. So the river flows in the place there. Go. Nice, it looks nice. Clean water.
Don't get on the grass.
There's just a little more. It's all right. Okay, that's pretty good. Thank you. All right, now, what were some of the pollutants? So what were some of the pollutants that we talked about? What did we say from that list we had of what things pollute? So what do you think, Alex? Salt. All right, we'll do the salt first. So why do we salt the roads? What is it for? What's the salt for?
When there's ice on the road, so you don't slip.
Okay, so you need to put salt on the roads. All right, so here's some roads, right? So salt the roads. You have to really shake it. It doesn't come out that fast. There you go. So up here, you need salt. Up here. Okay. All right. So that seems good. So we salted the roads. Now again, we have a nice clean river here. But now we put salt on the roads. Now, so we talked about animal waste, right? So animal waste is a problem, right? That gets into the rivers. We have a couple cows here. They don't like to stand up at all. No, this guy doesn't like to stand up at all. But, so let's put some animal waste here. So Khalid, you're going to do some animal waste. So sprinkle a small amount of animal waste over here.
That's animal waste.
Just don't do it loud.
All right. Okay. Now, the next thing is, so here we have houses and we have the farmland. So a lot of times we use pesticides to keep away bugs, either on the houses. They probably use some pesticides on the farmland as well. Not our be safe type of stuff, but so you're in charge. So let's put some fertilizer. No, this is pesticides here and on the farmlands over here. So wherever you put pesticides. So by the houses. Yeah, that's all right. You can just sprinkle it. It's nothing that's toxic.
Smells good.
Oh, it's sand.
Crushed up graham crackers. Oh.
Okay. Now, lastly, so this here is going to represent the, so that was pesticides, right? This is fertilizer. So again, definitely over here we would use fertilizer and maybe some up here on the grasses and things like that. So Piper, you're in charge. This stuff smells good. So put some up here. That's a lot of fertilizer. Put some down here on the, definitely on the farm.
This is chocolate.
It is Cocoa Puffs.
It is. Okay. Now, Avantika, can I have that? No, not that. The spray bottle at the end of the table. All right. Now, so we've had, what's the first step? So the sun's here. Shh, you gotta listen. The sun's here. What happens first to the water when we do the water cycle?
Evaporation.
Evaporates, and then it does what? Once it gets in the atmosphere, what happens?
Condensates.
Okay. And forms into what?
A cloud.
Clouds. And what does clouds need besides, what do you need to make clouds besides the water vapor? What else do you need? Right, so you need particles in the air. Now, what's the last part? How does it return to Earth? How does it return to Earth?
Precipitation.
Precipitation. All right, so whoever I talk to here, you're going to be up first. So what you want to do is this is going to be a big storm. So you really have to make some effects until you see things happen. All right? So come here and see what you can do. There it goes.
Let's go. That's disgusting.
Let's go.
So that's all the pesticides and the fertilizers we use.
So good.
Yum. I'm mixing.
Oh no! Got in.
Oh no!
All right, so a little bit more here. See if we can get the rest of it to flow down there.
Yeah. Let's go.
Get that.
Let's go.
All right. All right, that's, yeah, it's got flooded out here, which is another thing that can happen in the river. All right, we need this side here, so, did you do anything yet?
No.
All right, go ahead. Don't wash the plow away, the cow. All right, to see what that would do.
Oh no.
There it goes.
Let's go.
My liver.
Yeah. Let's go.
All right, that's pretty good, so.
Yeah, get him more farm.
Where?
Yeah.
Now it's smelling kind of bad.
Like on the road. No, it's actually good.
Smelled good before, but.
Okay, so the other thing we had left is some of the salt. We didn't actually really do the salt, so let's see. Who's back there? Did you spray yet? Did you do anything? All right, so just see if you can spray some of the salt, because that would also go into the water, the salt that we put on the roads.
You can't tip it that much.
Don't tip
It's
it.
not, then it can't.
Just don't tip it that much. Yeah, like that.
There you go. And you can see how it all attaches together. Actually, stuff from here would flow into there too. So, remember what our water looks like to start. All right, now, give me that bucket behind you, Piper, please. All right, now, what we want to do is water then soaks in here. So give me this for now. So water soaks in here, and it gets stored in an aquifer. That this is where your drinking water could come from. Okay, so we want to take this bucket, and I want to slide this off. You tell me when. Wait, can you put the thing under the stopper? So turn the bucket the other way. Okay, and then it should just. Do I need to be off the table more?
A little bit more.
All right.
Yeah.
Just the hole. Is it good?
Yeah.
All right, pull the plug.
Ew, who wants to put their finger? You're drinking that right now. All of you.
Okay.
Looks like the chocolate.
No, not me.
That they serve at
Not
you.
I only drink the finest of all.
All right, now let's look at that water. This could be your drinking water.
I don't drink water.
I mean, it's hot chocolate, chai tea, and stuff like that, so you actually could kind of drink this. But still, this is the pollution. Shh, guys, this is the pollution, and how the runoff actually polluted the water. So the water cycle at this point, that's what's happened. And this is what urbanization and all this development does. It causes this, which is, and the Merrimack River, the dirtiest in this area, it's the dirtiest in the country, top 10, because of runoff. And what happens is you drink, this goes to your drinking water supply. So Andover gets some of their water from there. So, all right, so everyone go back and take a seat. Thank you so much.